everyone, and welcome back to the channel Bliss Style. My name is Muhammad Walid, and today we are getting our hands on a highly anticipated phone, the Poco F6 5G. This phone has been generating a lot of excitement for its promise of flagship level performance at a mid-range price. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out in this unboxing and review. So first things first, the packaging. Poco keeps it simple with a clean black and yellow box with the phone's name prominently displayed. Inside, we have got the phone itself nestled securely in a foam tray. So underneath the phone, we have got the usual orange USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have got a 120 watts fast charger, and also under this box we have got a case which is a silicone matte finish black case, which is a pretty good quality. So let's take a closer look to the phone. Wow, this phone looks sleek. The back has a glossy finish that catches the light nicely. Poco opted for a flat-edged design here, which feels very modern and comfortable to hold. And let's take a closer look at the specs of the Poco F6 5G. It boasts a beautiful 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, we have the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is currently one of the top performers on the market. This is paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 256 and 512GB of storage. And the Poco F6 5G packs a decent 5000 mAh battery, which should provide all-day battery life for most users. We'll need to put it through a full battery drain test to get a more accurate picture, but so far it seems like Poco delivered on their promise. So let's talk about the camera. We have a triple camera system. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor, which is a big upgrade over previous Poco phones. It's joined by a 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. For selfies, there is a 20 megapixel front facing camera. We briefly tested out the cameras and the results are promising. The main sensor captures sharp and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. So let's test the audio and video quality. Alright guys, everything feels smooth and responsive. The 120Hz display makes scrolling and animations incredibly fluid. We haven't had a chance to do extensive benchmarks yet, but based on early tests, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen delivers impressive performance, making this phone a great option for gamers and power users. The Poco F6 5G is a beast when it comes to mobile gaming. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor paired with up to 12GB of RAM delivers smooth and stutter-free performance even on demanding games like Battlegrounds and Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, and lots more. We tested the phone on various graphic settings and it consistently maintained high frame rates without overheating. It's worth noting that Poco F6 5G featured a liquid cool technology 3.0 cooling system that helps keep the phone cool during intense gaming sessions. We didn't experience any throttling issues during our tests, making this is a great phone for serious mobile gamers. So, is the Poco F6 5G a true flagship killer? It's certainly on the right track. It offers top tier performance with a powerful processor, a beautiful display, and a decent camera system, all at a very competitive price point, which is 29,999. Alright then, thanks for joining us for the review of the Poco F6 5G. If you are considering this phone, be sure to leave a comment below with any questions you might have. And don't forget to subscribe to Bliss Style for more tech reviews. Signing off.